This is yours. Scooch your flat. Sit down. Wow, that was right. So cool. That's sweet. Everyone goes higher. Ain't that so sweet? Boy, that one's great. Little tiny one. I wonder if they I seen Illuminati's. You know, it'd be funny if they had an Illuminati one that was a triangle with an eye in the middle of it. And it was green. Just keep shooting. The finale's gonna be awesome. Steal that corn then. That was a little one. Oh no, there's not a little one. How the sparks spread. Whoa! This really lights up the axle of the park. It lights up the park, kind of. This park is a park and stuff. There's a park where there's like water and that was really cool. So cool. I'm definitely posting this on YouTube. This is awesome. Oh, going up. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Oh, all right. Now you're going to Explodies. Oh my god. Look at the Explodies. This could pop the baby spirit drum. Orders. Oh my god. Right. It says a seizure warning. Epilepsy warning. What? Epilepsy and seizure warning. There's lots of flashing lights. Did your phone say that? No. I didn't say that. There's a lot of flashing lights. In the description, warning, flashing lights. Boom! Woo! Oh, where was that? I don't know. Oh, it's going up. No, my video ended. Oh, you just missed the best one. Oh, you just missed the best one for this. What? have video space. I'll send my video.
Okay. And I'll send mine.
Here comes the big one. Big
Nope.
one.
One huge one. That's a huge one.
Not. Good ring. Oh, that one's probably gonna be small.
You're wrong. This one. And this one is like this. And then I'll go take that one.
I want a humongous something small.
Small.
Here, part two.
This one's big.
I'll have to tag you.
Maybe not.
I'll tag you in the video.
And then I'll take you in.
It's not over, is it?
No.